Hello, darling.
Remember when I talked to you in the Philippines?
Layo mo si buhok ko, ah. Are you eating? Ay, wait, darling. You want to eat yaw? I'll eat yaw. I love you, darling.
I talked to you before in English, right?
Send money here in Philippines.
Right, send money here in the Philippines.
But I never said that
Wait.
before to you, right?
My neighbor so makulit. Ah, I'm so beautiful. Yes. Yes, I know this is my neighbor, but I'm so beautiful. Don't go there. Si kabila tugtungan.
Do you remember the way I talked to you before? Carlot, Neshlin, they are super kilig.